Is your hair mask leaving your hair greasy, heavy, or almost unchanged? The problem may be the product, the amount you use, or the way you apply it. Meet Emma. Today, she will show us what a hair mask can realistically do and how to use one correctly. Most rinse-off hair masks are richer conditioning treatments. They can reduce friction, improve detangling, and make hair feel softer, smoother, and more manageable. However, they do not biologically heal dead hair fibers or permanently repair split ends. Their effects are mainly cosmetic and may gradually wash away. Conditioners coat and lubricate the hair surface, reduce friction, and improve softness and manageability. This is not biological healing of the hair fiber. Choose a mask according to your hair type, not only the word repair on the label. Fine or straight hair may become flat with a very rich formula and may need product mainly on the ends. Dry, curly, coarse, bleached, or frequently heat-styled hair may benefit from richer conditioning over more of the length. Dermatologists advise concentrating conditioner on the ends of fine or straight hair, while dry or curly hair may benefit from conditioning more of the hair length. Before applying anything, read the instructions. Many masks are designed for use after shampooing, but some are pre-shampoo treatments or products made specifically for the scalp. Do not automatically apply every conditioning mask to your roots. For a typical post-shampoo mask, rinse out your shampoo and gently squeeze or blot away excess water. Do not aggressively rub wet hair. Divide the hair into sections and begin with a small amount. Apply it through the mid-lengths and ends, focusing on the driest areas. Wet hair should be handled gently because rough towel drying and forceful manipulation can contribute to damage. Use your fingers to distribute the product. You may also use a wide tooth comb, but begin at the ends and slowly work upward. Avoid pulling forcefully through knots, especially when the hair is wet. The American Academy of Dermatology recommends a wide tooth comb for wet hair and gentle detangling to reduce breakage. Leave the mask on for the time stated on the label, then rinse thoroughly. Longer contact time and more product do not automatically produce better results. Frequency also varies. Fine or healthy hair may need a mask less often, while dry or chemically treated hair may tolerate richer conditioning more frequently. Stop using a mask if it causes persistent itching, burning, redness, or swelling, and seek professional advice when necessary. A hair mask can improve softness and manageability, but it cannot treat scalp disease or unexplained hair loss. Choose the right formula, apply it gently, and follow the product directions. Subscribe to Being Chemist for accurate cosmetic science. The FDA advises stopping use and contacting a healthcare professional when a cosmetic product causes an adverse reaction.